Hi everybody, happy distance learning. I just wanted to make a short little video kind of explaining what you can expect from health class through the process of distance learning with me as your teacher, and just kind of give you a little insight as far as what you should be expected to do. So first and foremost, a reminder, like make sure you're listening to this. I am not available until December 7th because I will be recovering from my knee surgery that I have this Thursday, the 19th. So continue to work on your health stuff so that you don't get far behind and get overwhelmed later on. Continue working on your health stuff as you go. And watch the videos and ask questions to each other and to your other teachers and things like that. And know that I will be available again starting December 7th. That's when our Google Meets will pick up. That's when I'll be able to message you guys back right away and talk to you through Schoology or do a Google Meet, or if you call me, I can give you a phone call back. All of those things start December 7th. Until then, I'm unavailable, so please just make sure that's crystal clear. I have a little checklist that I want to make sure that I bring up to you guys. So, biggest thing, everything will be posted Monday mornings in Schoology, just like they always have been for health class. That's not going to change. Everything will be due that following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Again, just like how we have been, that's not going to change. So Monday stuff gets posted, you work throughout the week, due on Sunday. Period. For Health and Phy-Ed, that's how it's going to work. And then for my class at least. And then the biggest thing, you guys, is just to stay organized, know what week we're in Schoology so that you know what video to watch in YouTube and so that you know what you need to accomplish for that week. Okay? In your schedule that you have gotten for distance learning for the middle school, if it is designated as a PE and health hour, you need to be working on PE and health stuff. I tried to make sure that you would be able to accomplish whatever it is for the week during that hour time. And you take that times 2 days a week, those 2 hours a week, you should not have to do anything outside of that chunk of time for health class, for Phy-Ed class, okay? When I get back on the 7th, we will be doing Google Meets. You will be expected to show up right at the start of those hours. We're going to have a lot of kids that join, and I don't want you trickling in late. I think that's just disrespectful to your peers. And I want to make sure that I can help as many kids as possible, especially since I'm unavailable for a few weeks. So I really want you guys there at the start. It will really just be a check-in. Make sure that you guys are doing okay. See how I can help if you need my help, things like that. The other times, like the open office hour times, I'm available to do Google Meets, phone calls, Schoology messages, all of those good things. As you're working on assignments and you have questions, I'll be available to help during those open office hour times. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. The biggest thing, you guys, is just watch the video, watch the video, watch the video. Oh, my dog is moving. She might have to go potty soon. We'll see. I'm almost done. It's okay. You can hang on, Sasha. So just make sure that you watch the video for the week, and just do your best to stay organized. In this distance learning overview folder, you'll see that there's the weekly planner, so you'll know what to do for health, and then there's the learning guide for the do's and do nots for distance learning in general. Please make sure that you're watching this. I hope you're watching this on Wednesday before all of this starts. If you have questions before I'm gone for surgery, reach out to me, let me know. Otherwise, take care of yourself, take care of each other, do your best, and I will see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.